What up, guys? If you know you love passive income, this video is for you because I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can just put your money to work. All you need to do is to deposit your USDT in your Trust wallet, or you can use MetaMask wallet if you wish. But all you need to do is to deposit your crypto, let me say USDT in specific. You deposit your USDT in your wallet and you activate the mining pool, and that's all you need to do is come there once a day and withdraw your money, and you're going to see it reflecting in your wallet. Now, one thing I want you to understand also about this passive income is your money is not leaving your wallet. It's going to be in your wallet, but it's going to keep generating extra income for you. So if you're interested in knowing how this thing works, stick to this video till the end. Alright guys, for us to be able to configure our wallet to be giving us this passive income I was talking about, you will need to have a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet. But for this video, I'm going to be using Trust wallet. Now, if you don't know Trust wallet or you don't know what I'm talking about, go to the Play Store right now and download the Trust wallet. Trust wallet, I believe, is one of the most popular crypto wallet in the world. So if you are into cryptocurrency, you must know about Trust wallet. So I believe it's a very simple thing to get. So go to Play Store and download the Trust wallet. Alright, so if you have Trust wallet already that is installed on your phone and you have your crypto in it, I will prefer you go ahead and create another new wallet specially for this update that I'm about to show you. Alright, so the best thing to do if you want to create a new wallet, all you need to do is to click on setting, which is over here. Click on it. Then the next thing, you click on wallet, which is up here. So once you click on wallet, the next thing you should do is to click on this particular plus sign that you can see on your top right corner here. Click on it and it's going to tell you to let's create a new wallet. So you have to click on it and to tell you to create a new wallet. So you go ahead, you click on create new wallet, then you are going to save your, it's going to give you another it's going to give you another 12 phrase that you need to keep for yourself. You know what I mean? You need to keep it for yourself. I have already created extra wallets already. I won't be doing all that in this video right now, but it's very easy. Make sure you save your 12 recovery phrase safely. Make sure you write it down, put it somewhere you know you can always recall anytime you need it. So, and make sure you don't send it, you don't share with anyone, as in anybody. You do not share with anybody at all. It is meant for only you. So I won't be doing all that in this video right now because I already created a new wallet for this special update myself. So I'll just be going straight to the point. So the next thing you need to do, you will need to have BNB in your wallet. BNB is going to be there for a gas fee. You need it for a gas fee. So the BNB is very important. Maybe a BNB worth of you can just put like worth of $1 if you want, but what you really need for this gas fee, I think, is 0.10 cents that you really need for this gas fee. But you can put like $1 worth of BNB in your wallet in order for you to pay the gas fee for this particular update. And the next thing you should do is, after creating the new wallet and you want to go ahead and join me in these procedures right now, you need to put the amount, because you are trying to put your money at work. Your money is going to be working for you right now. Instead of leaving your crypto in your wallet doing nothing, it's going to be working for you right now. So that's what I want to show you right now. We are going to be configuring this and to a website, a particular website that is going to make it work. All right, so now the good thing is the crypto is not going to leave your wallet. It's going to be there. It's going to be in your wallet. You're just going to let me just show you the process anyway. So you need to put in you need a USDT, but the USDT this time around, let me click on it. The USDT you need this time around, it is not TRC20 or ERC20. No, it's gonna be on the the BEP20. You can see it over here. That is the USDT you need this time around, and you can get this easily on your Binance. If you have a Binance wallet, Binance application, you can easily get this there. You can buy it and you send it over here. You know, it's easy on Binance. If you don't have Binance, also the link is in the description of this video. Go down there, you can get your link and download Binance app and do whatever you have to do, you know, so you can join us to buy whatever you want to buy, any crypto you want to buy. Okay, so the next thing to do after you've loaded the USDT in your wallet, like me, you can see I have 10 USDT here that I just put there just to show you guys how this thing work. So now the next thing you should do is to go to the description of this video. There's a link I put there. You copy that link, or you get it in my Telegram group. So if you want to do this, if you want to be part of this update I'm showing you right now, you go to my Telegram group, then you copy the link. And once you copy the link, you bring it to your Trust wallet. Then you click on the browser section, just the way I clicked it right now. You click on the browser section, then you paste the link, and it's gonna, okay, let me quickly let me just do that for you guys to see right here. Alright, so you click on the browser section, which is down here. You click on the browser, it's going to open a page looking like this. So the next thing you do is that link you copied from my Telegram group, you paste it here. You just paste it here in the search box. This particular search box you can see up above here, you paste it there. Let's just click on paste. You can see paste, then and you search. All you need to do is search. Click on the search button on your. So once you paste that link in the browser and you search it, this page is going to pop up. This is where everything is going to be going on. So once you get to this page, first of all, take your time to read what this is. Read this particular place so you understand how you're going to be earning according to what you have in your wallet. So you can take your time to read here and understand. So if you can understand this, you know how much you can be earning with your any amount you are depositing in that particular wallet. All right, so the next thing you should do once you get here is to first of all connect your wallet. Now this is why I said you should create your a separate wallet for this particular updates. So you know whatever you're doing in this wallet is whatever you have linked to this particular site. So it is best thing you create wallet, and you can now connect this wallet to whatever you created. All you need to do is to click on connect. Once you click on connect, it will connect to it will ask you for permission to sign. Then you have to confirm it. But there's one thing now you need to also do is to change your network to BNB, to your BNB smart chain. By clicking here, this three button up here, you click it. You can see here we have Ethereum. Our network is on Ethereum right now. If you click here, you can see it over here. I just want to show you guys. You can see it's on Ethereum blockchain. So you need to click on this, and it will switch to Binance blockchain, the BNB smart chain. All right, we'll click it, so it's going to change to BNB smart chain. All right, let it load. Then after that, you will connect your wallets. Okay. All right, now what we need to do from here is to connect the wallet. And to connect, just click on connect. You can see it's showing no connect right now. All right, I've clicked on it, and you can see it is showing my BNB. Come on, it is showing BNB wallet connected already. So for you to be sure that you've connected the wallet you are talking about, I'm talking that you created, click on account over here. Now, very good. You can see on my balance I had 10 USDT that was there. So this is it right here. You can see it, wallet balance. You can see 10 USDTs. Now, if you are using that particular wallet that you've created and you deposited some USDT on it, you're going to see the particular amount of USDT you have in your balance right here like this too. So that's to be sure that you've deposited your USDT on that wallet. All right, so now the next thing you should do, once finish doing all those things, the next thing you need to do for you, in order for you to start earning from your deposited money in your wallet, you should just, what you need to do is to click on this particular button that says receive over here, just beside of invite. Click on receive. Now let's click on receive. Okay, now after clicking on this, it's going to ask you, see, you have to pay the gas fee for the BNB. So the next thing you should do is to confirm it. Let's confirm it, because I am ready to pay the gas fee, which is the one in my wallet already. That's why I told you guys it requires you put a gas fee of maybe just $1. You can just put it there. It's going to help you. Then it's going to call the smart contract. Then you will accept it. You have to confirm it. You can see. Okay, so let's go. It's taking BNB of 0.11 cents. So put my code. You don't have to see it. So I use my thumb of my fingerprint. Okay, good. Now I have accepted this payment successful. Now I can start earning. Now the current wallet balance is 10. You can see it's telling me everything. You are going to get this information, and you can get 0.24 USDT income every day. Now you understand. So it's now, if I should be keeping 100 USDT in my wallet, that means every day I should be getting 24 USDT every day. So that is how it works, you understand? So my income comes this way. Now you get your income every 1 hour, as in each hour there's income that is dropping in this your wallet. So it's dropping on this site. I will still show you how you can withdraw that income. So what we'll do is I'll just wait for maybe a few hours. Once I am able to earn some income, I come back here and I make withdrawal for you guys to see how it works. The withdrawal is going to go straight into my wallet, and it's gonna be a USDT. Yeah, it's going to be USDT that I'll be withdrawing to my wallet. I'll be showing you guys that in this video. So I'm just going to pause this video and wait for me to earn some particular amount of this profits that I'm getting, income that I'm getting from this particular platform, and I'll be making withdrawal for you guys to see live and direct here. All right guys, so stick around. If you like what I'm showing you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up first of all, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I have more updates coming up for you guys, more sweet and valuable updates for you guys. So let's just wait for a few hours. I'll get back to you guys very soon. Alright guys, so it's been few hours that we've been mining on this application. Been few hours that we've put our money to work. So now let me quickly check. Now before I even go there, I just want you guys to notice something. You can see over here where we are meant to receive when we are meant to click for the mining to start. You can see it over here. Now it is mining already. So we are connected to the mining pool and we are mining automatically. So now let's check the account to see how much we've earned. So I've waited for a few hours and I was able to I get 0.13 USDT. You can see it over here. That is what is available right now, and my 10 USDT is still there. It's still in my wallet. I told you guys the money won't leave your wallet. You can see it is still in my wallet. So I'm just going to, let's see if we can withdraw at as little as 0.13 cents. All right, let's do that. Okay, sorry, 0.13. Okay, let me do this like this. Okay, good. I just typed that here. Now let's quickly make withdrawal. So we'll see if we'll get it in our wallet straight up. All right, click on confirm. Okay, successful. So my withdrawal was successful right away. So now what I'm going to do is to check in my wallet to see if I got that added to my balance. Okay, let's close these, then we go to wallet. And okay, let me wait for this to load. I just got that in my wallet, so you can see I have my 13. Okay, let me click here for you guys to see. You can see it over here. So you can see I just got my 13 USDT in my wallet. So guys, this is another good way of putting your money to work. I told you guys earlier on, you just put your money in your wallet and it's mine. You are connected to the mining pool and it generates income for you. You don't need to do anything. This is completely passive income. You know I love passive income. That's why I'm showing you guys to be part of this passive income also. Now I want you guys to know one thing, that you can only make withdrawal just once in a day. Okay, let's quickly check that again. You can make withdrawal just once in a day. It is boldly written here. You can see you can see it here. Okay, take a look at this. Daily withdrawals 1. So you can only withdraw once in a day. So it's either you wait for your mining pool to accumulate your daily rewards, or you can equally withdraw once a day once you just hit a particular amount you have on your mining pool. So guys, it's a nice one. This is a nice one, a nice project. You, like I said, you don't need to remove the money from your wallet. The money will still be in your wallet and it's going to keep earning some extra income for you. And this is completely passive. You are not doing anything. All you need to do is to do the configuration I showed you earlier on. Then you let the machine roll and you keep earning some extra income. Now the more money you put, the more earnings you get. So if you're putting $10, you are getting 0.24 cents per day. If you're putting $100, you are getting $2.4 per day. If you're putting $1,000, you're going to be earning $24 per day. So that's how it works. So guys, it's as simple as that. If you like what I showed you in this video, give this video a thumbs up. And do not forget to click on the notification bell sign once you subscribe to my channel, so that you get notified once I bring another update like this for you guys to enjoy on. Alright, so guys, I see you again in the next video. Bye.